Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an animated sine wave programmed in Alice. First off, let me explain it here. On the Events tab on the right upper corner, the variables of the equation can be regulated through the keys we set up here. We use the arrow keys up and down for amplitude, left and right for the period, and also W and S for the shift. Press enter to start the world, and if you want to restart it while the graph is moving, we can press spacebar. Here's the main world method, where we put our sine wave function just to make all the points moving accordingly. And we put the function into the while loop so that it repeats every time it completes one cycle. Okay, now let's have a look at our sine wave function here. It's pretty much the standard form of a sine wave, where we have A, which stands for amplitude, H for period, and K for the shift. Now let's have a look at our position method. This method will move all the points we have in the grid accordingly to the function that we have. Anyway, since we are doing two-dimension graphing here, we're just gonna put Z to 0 in our main method. Okay, let's get back to our main method here. As we can see here, we put the method into the while loop, where main index is less than 22, which means it's gonna be in one cycle it's gonna repeat 22 times. And then I put another outer while loop to make everything repeat once it complete one cycle. As the main index number getting greater and greater, our x variable is incrementing by 0.1 as well. Also there I have an if else loop to make the variable x go back to its starting point when it hits a certain point on the grid. Now let's play the world as I press enter. By the way, all the variables that could be regulated, we have to watch them when we play the world, otherwise they won't move a bit. And now we press enter for the world to start, and as you can see, the graph is starting to move and according to our function. And here I press up to change the amplitude, and as you can see, the amplitude of the graph is changing now as the graph is getting bigger. And now I'm going to change the period of the graph. You're going to see that the graph is going faster now because one period is shorter than it used to be a moment ago. I'll change the amplitude back to the normal so you can see the difference between this new period and the one it used to be when it first started. And to shift it up, I'll press W, and for shifting it down, I'll press S. This is an animated sine wave that can be fully regulated. I use Alice programming to make this happen, and hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.